Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And right now we are on Royal Caribbean Odyssey of the Seas.
And we're in stateroom number 11526.
We are going to take you on a tour of this beautiful private balcony stateroom. Now let's jump right into this room tour. Come on in.
Hey guys, welcome to my grandparents' stateroom. So come on in here, and right here behind you actually, we have the connecting room door. So this room actually connects to the stateroom next door to it on that side, which is very nice. So say you have like me, for example, I'm in that stateroom, parents over here, shut the door, open the door, you have it connecting. It's really nice. Then you have your floor to ceiling mirror, so you can check out your nice outfit in the morning. Anyway, moving on, we have a TV here, nice big flat screen TV right here in front of the big bed, which we'll get to later, and a nice hubby here. So this is really handy to say I just finished my reading. Pop it back in there. No need to find a place to put it. It's right there. Anyway, moving back over here further, you have your trash can, which is really nice, right here next to your desk area. So you're sitting here at your desk, you're doing homework, you have a trash can right there, which can be very handy. Over here, we are at the mirror, which lights up. Big circular mirror, so for women, you could do your makeup here in the morning. Boo. That off, this switch. That turns on the lights over there above the curtains. And you have your outlets, of course. You have two of these normal outlets with the prong thingies, two USB outlets, a European outlet, and the switches, of course. Lots of storage space over here and here to put whatever. Under here, remote to the TV. And a nice chair to sit in. So moving on over here to the drawers, you have lots of countertop space over here, little towel animal, and you have your beverages here, which are upon purchase. They're not complimentary. So you also have your lamp here, which provides a lot of light actually. Drawers, this one has a hair dryer in it. Moving on back over here to this drawer, you have your room service. So moving on into the room service, you have your little door hanger thingies here, which you hang on your door the night before for them to come pick up and give you what you want. So you put in your stateroom number of guests, desired time for them to bring it in the morning. Putting this up, you have your menu. Now that we have that out of the way, you get quite a few of these actually. We could leave that there for now. Lots of drawer space. I think you get the point. And a mini fridge, which has more of those beverages that are for purchase. Shutting that and moving on over here to this awesome balcony, which has a very special feature, which we'll get into in a minute. So coming on out here, the first thing that you'll notice is that the waves are very audible. You can definitely hear the waves. They're very loud, so maybe you want to sit here in the morning, drink your cup of joe, and listen to the waves. So you have your little end stand table here, maybe to set your cup of joe on. And you have your comfy seats, which actually have a little footstool, so you can lie your feet out and lay there. Comfy. They also lean back, so maybe you want to sit like reclined back. Really handy. But my favorite feature, I saved the best for last, is this over here. Come look over here. There is the officer's bridge, and you can see it right here from your balcony. You can just watch them run the ship from there. And it's very visible. You can see all the little cameras and the windshield wipers. And it is just so cool. That's alright, guys. Enjoy those ocean waves. These balconies are actually a lot bigger than most of the balconies that we've seen, because you can recline these chairs out all the way, and it's almost like a pool deck. So come on back in here, enjoy those ocean waves. Sound of them waves. And there is a little lock here to keep your children out. So maybe you don't want your children, they're younger, you don't want them going out here on the balcony by themselves. You can lock that. Obviously, a child is not going to be able to reach that. You also have your couch over here, which does fold out into a bed also. So that's handy. But also, it's very comfortable to just lay on in the day. You have your pillows here. Okay, now coming on over here, you have your big closet. As you can see, you can really pack this thing full. I mean, it's nice to be able to hang up all your jackets and coats and things like that. And you have a nice safe here to keep your stuff safe.
Passports, wallet, cash, that kind of thing should always be locked up in the safe.
Okie dokie. And of course, lots more drawer space to put your shirts and cool things like that. And of course, one of the main attractions, the bed. I believe this is a queen size or king size, twin, what?
This is a king size bed, and you can request it to be split up into 2 twins.
If you saw our interior room tour, you'll know that those are split actually, and they can be put together. You have an end stand here, put all kinds of stuff on there, maybe a flashlight, and there is night lights here that you can flip on, and there's a switch here that controls every main light in the room except these here night lights, because if you're reading a book, you don't want your partner to literally turn off all the lights on you in the middle of the night. And a nice little outlet, which is handy dandy, and something that should be mentioned, at least in my room as well, is that there is no outlet over there on the other side, so one person's not going to have an outlet. Overhead storage up here. At this point, it has pillows in it, but from experience, those are very nice to put all your stuff in. And of course, there is some overhead storage over there on the other side as well. Moving back over here to the bathroom and the closet, it is full. As you can see, they're on good displays, that bottom hanger there, and look how much that stores. I mean, there's a lot of clothes in there, and it's still not all the way full. Moving back over here to the bathroom, you have so much space. There's hangers, you can hang all your stuff. Of course, you have your nice big shower here. I don't know if I need to shut that. It's echoing here now. You have of course, your shower. Shower works. Hair and body wash, which mom does not like that hair and body wash. She likes to pack her own. And of course, you have your little handle for shaving your legs. Put your leg up there and shave it. I don't have that problem. And you have 2 racks here, which on my interior room does not. So go check out my interior room. It's actually a lot different. So coming on back out of the shower here, you have tons of shelving space. Right here you can put all kinds of stuff. There's glasses for brushing your teeth, and a toilet, of course, which makes for a nice seat when you're doing room tours as well. Bottom, trash can, blah blah blah. More storage space under here, maybe for shoes or something like that. Towels. For drying your hands, obviously. Now making our way back out over here. The last couple of things we have to show you. The thermostat for controlling the temperature in your room. You can control it down or up, depending on how you sleep, hot or cold or whatever. And this is your key card, which if this is out, your room lights, if this is out for long enough, your room lights won't work, which eventually they'll shut off because this is out. So you have to have your key card in there to make these stay on, which is actually handy because it saves on electricity. Of course, you have your magnet here, sleeping off the adventure, which is a please do not disturb, so they won't clean your room if this is on the outside of your door. And if it's this one, out catching thrills, please make up my room, they are going to come in and make up your room. So that's a really cool thing. Of course, you have your map to get to your muster station right here, which is a very handy thing because as you're on your way out, you see that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you. Thank you very much for joining us on this room tour of our balcony room on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. If you liked it and you like our channel, make sure you
Like,
subscribe,
and leave a comment down below.
Thank you so much for watching. Find out more information about me at pixiedustadventures.com.
Bye.
Bye.